What if your home could make you rich? Not just a place to live, but a wealth-building machine. Stick around, because we are breaking down how to use your home equity to build serious wealth. Whether you're a homeowner or planning to be, this strategy can unlock massive financial opportunities. Let's get started with what home equity actually is. Home equity is the difference between your home's current market value and what you owe on your mortgage. For example, if your home's worth $400,000 and you owe $200,000, you've got $200,000 in equity. That's money you can tap into. But how? Let's explore 3 powerful ways to use it. First up, a home equity loan. This is a lump sum loan using your equity as collateral. Rates are often lower than credit cards or personal loans. Think 5 to 7% instead of 15%. Use it to invest in income-generating assets, like a rental property. For example, a $100,000 loan could buy a small rental yielding $500 a month after expenses. That's $6,000 a year in passive income. But be careful, defaulting risks your home, so only borrow what you can repay. Next, a home equity line of credit. Unlike it's a loan that acts like a credit card with a limit based on your equity. You draw funds as needed, paying interest only on what you use. In 2025, rates are around 6 to 8%, great for flexible investments like flipping a fixer-upper or funding a business. Third, cash-out refinancing. You replace your existing mortgage with a bigger one, pocketing the difference in cash. Say your home's worth $500,000, and you owe $300,000. Refinance for $400,000, and you get $100,000 to invest. Use it for diversified assets like ETFs or REITs, which can yield 7 to 10% annually. Just know closing costs can hit 2 to 5% of the loan, so crunch the numbers first. Now, the risks. Your home's on the line, so don't overborrow. Only invest in what you understand, avoid speculative bets like meme stocks. Tip: work with a financial advisor to match investments to your goals. Also, check your credit score, 700 or higher gets better loan terms. And with home prices up 5% in 2025, your equity's likely growing, so act strategically. Ready to turn your home into a wealth machine? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more finance tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.